Hi Happy Knitters, welcome back to day 5 and 6 of my Kwanzaa yarn reveal. So day 5 is Nia, which means remembering and restoring African and African American cultures, customs, and history. Day 6 is Kumba, creativity, using, creating, and your imagination to make communities better. So let's get right down to it. So let's start with day 5's yarn reveal. So let's see what we got here. This is so much fun and so exciting. So let's see what day 5 holds. And I've gotten some comments from you viewers who have also received the Kwanzaa packages, and you are telling me how much you are loving them. So that's so great to see. Guys, check this out. Look, there are 4 skeins to this. Look at all those pretty vibrant colors. So this is on her Foghorn 2 fingering. 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 230 yards, 50 grams a piece, and it's her colorway Robust Tea. So nice. So like I said, there are patterns with this this box. So these patterns go with these yarns, which is so nice because it kind of helps you take out the guesswork, and you got everything you need within that box. So this is going to be our day 6, and let's check it out. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is on her base Thistle 2. It is her lace base. Look at that beautiful aqua bluish kind of color. The colorway is called Windjammer, and it is 100% superwash merino, 980 yards, 115 grams. How gorgeous is that? And it matches my nails. I've got the frozen nail color, so that's kind of cool. So anyway, guys, like I said, get in contact with Carol from ChickenCoop Dyeworks, or put it on your register for next year to make sure you grab some of these kits. They're limited, so I absolutely love them. And like I said, Carol is a friend of mine, and she puts her heart and soul into these boxes to make sure that you guys have a wonderful experience. So we only have one more day left of Kwanzaa, so I will come back tomorrow and show you the last day. But I want to say this is New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's Eve, and come back tomorrow and check out day 7. Bye.